Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Cumberland, local and long-distance movers near me. We have local movers in our company, 3 movers who have the experience to guarantee a successful move. Our team of staff is the best in the city with a track record of complete success for every move. They also take time to ensure that your questions are answered perfectly before and during the planning. You really cannot miss out on any fun activity during your relocation planning because the team will carry all activities without any issues. Our drivers are the best in the city, and they understand the road connections within the city and ensure the fastest routes are followed during the trip. The question in the heart of many still centers around the need to hire a long-distance mover when you can save money and plan it without any help. If you belong to this school of thought, you should reconsider your stance because there is only a little gap between the move becoming successful and turning into a disaster. To fix any potential issues ahead, try to hire a Cumberland long-distance 3-mover. One of the reasons why these experts are the best bet is because they have the skills and qualifications. It's not about wrapping items into boxes and moving them to the truck. A lot of other things go underway during the process, and only a professional can do this successfully. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Cumberland moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.